Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Before you attempt to put a dodge journey in neutral, prioritize safety and preparation. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks before shifting to neutral. Turn the key to the ACC or on position so electronics are active unless the procedure specifically requires the engine off. If you are on an incline, block the wheels and keep the engine off unless required for power steering. Always press and hold the brake pedal fully while operating the shifter to prevent unintended movement. To shift a dodge journey into neutral during normal operation, start by placing the key in ACC or on and pressing the brake pedal fully. Depress the shifter release button, then move the selector from D or P into N. Confirm the console indicator and dashboard both read N. You should feel free movement with no drive engagement. Double-check by gently releasing the brake while holding the parking brake so the vehicle does not roll. Keep steering control and be ready to reapply the brake immediately. If the journey will not come out of park, use the Shift Lock Override feature. Locate the small 1-inch plastic cover near the shifter, pry it open, and insert the ignition key or a flat screwdriver. While pressing down in the override slot, keep the brake pedal fully depressed and move the shifter into N. The mechanical lock will release. If the override does not work or the 12V battery is dead, engage wheel chocks, leave the parking brake set, and call roadside assistance or a tow truck to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.